Sankranti. India is the land of festivals. Makar Sankranti is one of the important festivals of Hindu religion, which is celebrated with great joy and happiness. Makar Sankranti or Maghi is a festival day in the Hindu calendar dedicated to the deity Surya, that is sun, that is observed in January every year. It marks the first day of sun's transit into the Makar, that is Capricorn, marking the end of the month with the winter and the start of longer days. Now let's see what is the meaning of Sankranti. The word Makar Sankranti derives from two words, that is Makar and Sankranti. Makar means Capricorn and Sankranti means transition, which means transition of the sun in the Capricorn, that is zodiac sign. Being a festival that celebrates the solar cycle, it almost always falls on the same Gregorian date every year, that is January 14 or 15, except in rare years when the date shifts by a day for that year. On Makar Sankranti, devotees take holy dip in river and pray to the sun god. In some parts of the country, Makar Sankranti is also a time of harvesting of the rabi crops, which is celebrated by dancing around the bonfire. Kite flying is an integral part of the festival, during which the skies are filled with the colorful and sparkling kites. Special Bhojanam, that is feast, are a part of Andhra tradition on Bhogi, that is preceding day, next day, at dawn. People light a bonfire. Another notable feature of the festival in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana is the Haridasu and Gangiredu, who go early in the morning with a colorfully decorated cow. In Tamil Nadu, a sweet pongal is made with rice, jaggery and milk. Beautiful kolam, that is rangoli designs, are made. Taming of bull, that is also called as Jallikattu, is also performed. Various mouth-watering delicacies are also part of the festival. In Maharashtra, laddu with til, that is sesame seeds, and gur, that is jaggery, is made and exchanged with the words til gur gya ani gor gor bola. That means accept this til gur, that is sweet, and utter sweet words. Makar Sankranti is celebrated with different names in different parts of our country, like Lohri in Punjab, Uttarayan in Gujarat. In Maharashtra, it is celebrated as Makar Sankranti. In Kerala, it is celebrated as Makara Vilakku. In Tamil Nadu, it is celebrated as Pongal, and in Andhra Pradesh as Sankranti. In Bengal, it is celebrated as Posh. In Assam, it is celebrated as Magh Bihu. And in Nepal, it is celebrated as Maghe Sankranti. So once again, wish you all a very happy Makar Sankranti. Ahead, there is a glimpse of activity performed by our students on the eve of Makar Sankranti. So have a look.